taking it with me. All
Here
my
we
cards,
go.
everything I take with me.
Oh, I never give to you.
What?
You just pass our, I said give to you.
Yes, I'm taking it with me. Yes, and I want my money back. Because you don't fix.
Oh, I fix it.
It's not fixed. I want my money back, and I'm taking my TV. I want my money back. It's been too long. It's almost 2 months this time. First time you had it, 2 weeks. I pick it up. I take it home. It's not fixed. I bring it back. You had it for 2 months, and you still don't fix it. And you don't call me, nothing. And I come here, and you got all the cards off the back. You don't fix, you don't call. I want my TV. I want my money back. Today, now, I want my money back. I'm going to leave. I'm not coming back. No, now, give me my money, and I'm taking my TV. I bring my grandson. I'm taking my TV. $180 you got. You don't fix, I want. And I had to spend another $100 on the TV because you didn't have it ready for me. I showed you that receipt. You know? Because you were supposed to have it so I could watch my TV Thanksgiving. You don't have it ready. So I had to buy a used TV to watch. So I spent another $100. I'm out $280. And if you couldn't fix it, you should have said, I can't fix it. I don't know how. That's what you should have said. But, you know, you don't call me. It's not good business. It's good money, not good business. So I want my money back. And you, just roll my TV out, and we'll roll it out, but give me my money. No, it takes too long. I could have gone to China and got these parts done. It's too much. No, I want my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. $180 you got. Give me my money. You owe me $280, but I want $180. Give me my money. If I go to court, I can get that $100 too, but I want my money back. All the gas I spend to come back and forth, and you still don't fix my car. Not good business. Not good.
I see. This is part. Nothing.
No, don't take that long. You could have rode a bicycle to China to get them parts. It's 2 months. No.
I passed it.
Internet? No, don't take that long. No. No. Don't. It takes too long. I want my money. $180. Right there? Sharon?
Oh, okay.
Today?
You
Today?
use money deposit next Monday. I don't have no money.
Next Monday? You got my money the same day.
Today, I don't have money now. You just keep on Monday. Okay?
Yeah. If it's not there, I'll go to court. That's all. I mean, I'm serious because I'm really not happy. I'm not happy. You should have called me.
You pick up this tomorrow. I said.
No, I live in Fergusburg. I'm picking it up now. I'm not coming back unless your check. If your check don't clear, I'll go to police because it's bad check. Okay? And we go to court. But I'm not happy. I come too many times to get my TV. You should have called me. I'm a nice person. I'm very nice.
I said that before.
No, I'm not coming back.
What is breaking?
Huh?
You broke your car is breaking. I said
Well, you already broke it.
I said that.
The car is right here. There's nothing else for us to talk about. Okay. I'll find somebody else that can fix it. You can't fix it.
I said that he feels this one.
I don't know why it's all tore up. I didn't give it to you.
No, this time anytime you come here.
I'm not coming back. Where's my remote?
Anytime.
Where's the remote?
You anytime.
Too many times. Too many times I come. Too many times.
I can say that to you.
No. I go on the internet and tell people do not bring TV here.
This one?
No. That's not.
Should I go on the
Gray.
Gray and long.
Gray.
Huh?
You take it?
Yeah, it's still taking 7 minutes.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes. Uh-huh.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Mhm. Okay.
I used to this is cover.
What is he talking about? Oh, cover. Don't bring your TV in here. TV? Oh no, this is.
You anytime come here, I say that to keep here.
Come now. No, I'm not coming back. Come back too many times. Yes, too high.